In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and divide cells with simple formulas in a spreadsheet. Before we start, a quick note on wording. When I say box, I'm referring to a cell in your spreadsheet. And when we type an equal sign, that tells the spreadsheet we're entering a formula, not just regular text. Let's begin with a simple addition. In the cell where you want the result to appear, type an equal sign. This opens the formula. Now click on the box you want to add. You'll see that cell's name appear in the formula bar, something like A1 or B2. Next, type the plus symbol, then click on another box you want to include in the sum. You should now see a formula that references both boxes with a plus sign in between. Finally, press enter. The spreadsheet calculates the total immediately and displays it in the cell. If you ever change the numbers in the original boxes, the result updates automatically, because the formula is linked to those boxes. If you prefer, you can type the cell references directly instead of clicking, but clicking helps avoid typing mistakes. Now let's divide one value by another. Again, in the cell where you want the result, type an equal sign. Click on the first box you want to use in the calculation. This will be the value you're dividing. Then type a /, which is the division operator. Click on another box, the one you want to divide by. You should see a formula with the two boxes separated by a slash. Press enter to calculate the result. If the second box contains 0, you'll get an error because division by 0 isn't allowed. Make sure that second value isn't 0, and if it might change, consider checking it before you finalize your sheet. As with the addition example, any changes to the original boxes will automatically update the result, which is a big time saver. A few quick tips to keep you confident. The equal sign always goes first when you're building formulas. Clicking boxes ensures you're referencing the exact cells you want. The plus symbol adds values and the / divides them. Pressing enter completes the formula and commits it to the cell. If you see an unexpected result, glance at the formula bar to confirm you clicked the correct boxes. That's it. With these two patterns, equals click plus click enter and equals click / click enter.